Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install listing presentations with PowerPoint templates, complete guide step by step clearly. Open PowerPoint on your computer. Click on the File tab in the upper left corner. Select New from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Listing Presentation Templates. Browse through the available templates. Choose a template that fits your style and purpose. Click on the chosen template to preview it. Once satisfied, click the Create button to open the template. Familiarize yourself with the template structure. Identify where to input your listing details. Click on the text boxes to edit them. Replace the placeholder text with your information. Insert high-quality images of the property. To add images, click on the Insert tab. Select Pictures and choose your files. Resize and position the images to enhance the presentation. Add additional slides by clicking on the Home tab. Select New Slide to include more sections if needed. Edit each new slide with relevant content. Include features, pricing, and neighborhood details. Use charts or graphs to display market trends, if applicable. Ensure consistency in fonts and colors throughout. Review the presentation for clarity and professionalism. Save your work by clicking on File and then Save As. Choose a location on your computer and name the file. Select the desired format, ensuring it's compatible for sharing. Finally, rehearse your presentation to ensure smooth delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.